very good morning to all of you. Today this is my fourth video regarding the topic the solid state. In this video I will discuss about packing efficiency in different unit cells. For example, in simple cubic unit cell, as you know, the packing efficiency is 52.4. In BCC it is 68% and in FCC it is 74%. Today I will prove this in this video. Let's start with our first structure or first unit cell, that is the simple cubic unit cell. As you know, in the simple cubic unit cell, the particles are only present at corner. अगर इसमें देखें तो कॉर्नर्स के जो पार्टिकल हैं इन पे मैंने पार्टिकल्स दूर दूर रखे हैं, बट इन ए सॉलिड स्ट्रक्चर द पार्टिकल्स आर क्लोजर टू ईच अदर. इट मीन्स अगर आप इन पार्टिकल्स को बनाना चाहें तो ये एक्चुअल कंडीशन में ये पार्टिकल पास पास हैं. तो फिर मैंने इसको यहाँ क्यों नहीं बनाया? क्योंकि अगर इस पार्टिकल को मैं इतना बड़ा बना देता लाइक दिस, सिमिलरली इस पार्टिकल को मैं इतना बड़ा बना देता लाइक दिस, तो इस स्ट्रक्चर को एक्सप्लेन करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता. नाउ दिस इज द एक्चुअल कंडीशन. दीज टू पार्टिकल्स आर क्लोजर टू ईच अदर इन ए सिंपल क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल. नाउ इन ए क्यूब all the edge length are equal, that is A is equal to B is equal to C. Now I can consider edge length is as A. तो ये भी A है, ये भी A है और ये भी A है. It means all the edge length can be considered as A. Now what is this? This distance is also A, but it is R radius of this sphere and this is also R radius of this sphere. It means if I am considering this point A to B, then it will be the radius of two spheres, that is R and R, and we are saying that it is A. Now what is the relationship? The relationship is A is equal to 2R, or we can say that R is equal to A by 2. This is the relationship of edge length with the radius R in simple cubic unit cell. आगे डेंसिटी का फॉर्मूला चाहिए हमें, उसके अंदर हमें ये दोनों फॉर्मूलों की जरूरत पड़ेगी. If we will see the formula of density, A will be there, और अगर A कैलकुलेट करना है तो I will give you the radius, and the twice of radius is the equal to A. Now we will prove that how 52.4% part is covered in this cell. It means इस total unit cell के अंदर 52.4% part ही cover होता है. Then let's start. What is packing efficiency? Packing efficiency is the ratio of or volume of sphere upon total volume of cube. Total volume of cube. Okay. So packing efficiency is the ratio of volume of sphere upon total volume of cube into 100. Okay. Then what is the volume of cube? Volume of cube is side cube and side is equal to A. It means volume of cube is equal to A cube. But what is the value of A? A is equal to 2R. So I can write this 2R cube, or it will be 8R cube. Now the total volume of the cube is 8R cube. Now how many particles are present here? 8 particles. But as you know, the contribution of particle present at corner is 8. Now it is 8 into 1 by 8. There is only one particle present or one sphere present in the simple cubic unit cell. Now volume of one sphere, it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now I have this value as well as this value. Now what is the packing percentage or packing efficiency? Both are the same thing. You can write it packing efficiency or packing percentage. It is the volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And what is the total volume? That is 8 r cube. And now it is multiplied by 100. Now 4 can be cut by 8. It is 2. And r cube is cut by r cube. Now it is pi upon 6. 3 to the 6 into 100. As you know, the value of pi is 3.14. If we are putting the value of pi, now the answer will be 52.4%. So this is the packing percentage, and we have proved that in simple cubic or square packing, it is also known as square packing, The packing percentage is 52.4%. Similarly, we can explain in FCC and BCC. Now my second topic is FCC, that is face centered cubic, or CCP. It is also known as CCP, cubic closest packing. In this unit cell, the packing percentage is 74%. Let's prove this. In FCC, as you know, particles are present at corner and the particles are also present at the face. मैंने face के particles को लाल कलर से दिखाया है, रेड कलर से. It means इस क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर आप लोगों को कॉर्नर के साथ साथ फेस को भी इंक्लूड करना पड़ेगा. It means at least you have to include one particle which is present at the face. Again, this is edge length A, this is edge length A, क्योंकि मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि क्यूबिक स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर जो एज लेंथ है वो इक्वल होती है. It means B to C. I am considering the four particles, this particle, this particle, and this particle. All these particles are closer, which is shown in this diagram. Okay. यहाँ पर ये दूर दूर है, but in this A is connected to this and this and this. It means मैंने कॉर्नर के पार्टिकल्स भी कंसीडर कर लिए और इसके साथ साथ सेंटर अपने क्या नाम है फेस का पार्टिकल भी कंसीडर कर लिए. Now see this carefully. This is A to C. Now I can draw a triangle from A to B and C. That is triangle ABC. अगर आप ट्राइंगल ABC को यहां से देखते हैं तो ये बिल्कुल एक दूसरे से टच है. What is A to B? A to B is edge length A. Okay. Now what is B to C? B to C is also edge length A. But what is A to C? A to C is not given in the diagram. तो मैं इसको assume कर लेता हूँ. A to B को watch carefully. It is the radius. It is the radius. It is the radius. It is the radius. It means there are four radius. We can also say that it is 4r. Now according to Pythagoras equation, the अपने most important most longest line is A to C. It means according to Pythagoras equation, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AB? AB is A square. What is BC? BC is also A square. And what is AC? AC मैंने आपको बताया कि मैंने इसे 4r माना. It means 4r square. Now what is this? A square plus A square. I can write it is 2A square. And what is this? 16r square. Now what is this? After solving this, 16 can be cut by 2. Now it is A square is equal to 8r square. And 8 can be write as 2 root 2. Or we can say after removing the square, A is equal to under the root 8r and under the root 8 means 2 root 2r. This is the relationship between A and R for FCC lattice. Or we can say that R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. Now I will prove that the packing efficiency in FCC lattice is 74%. Again, my formula for packing efficiency is volume of whole sphere present, okay, upon volume of cube. Now what is the volume of cube? The volume of cube is A cube. Volume of cube is equal to side cube. Sides are A. Now it is A cube. What is the value of A? A is equal to 2 root 2r. That is cube. Or we can say it is 8 root 8r cube. Now what is the volume of sphere? As you know, volume of one sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. But as you know, in FCC, particles are present at corner as well as face. So there are 4 particles, 1 at the corner and 3 at the faces. क्योंकि आपने कहा था face के particles 6 होते हैं और उनका contribution 1/2 होता है. Again, I am doing this. The particles present at corner are 8. That is equal to 1. Okay, and their contribution is 1/8. And the particle present at face is equal to 6 into half. That is 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. It means now volume of 4 sphere is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is 16 pi r cube. Now packing percentage or efficiency is equal to, into 100. It is volume of sphere. Volume of sphere is 16 pi r cube, and volume of cube is 8 root 8 r cube and multiplied by 100. R cube can be cut by r cube and 16 can be cut by 8. Now it is 2 pi upon root 8 into 100, and when you solve this it will be 74.02%, that is 74%. In this manner we can prove that the packing efficiency or packing percentage in FCC unit cell is 74%. Now our third type is BCC, that is body centered cubic structure, and as you know, in body centered cubic structure the packing efficiency is 68%. In this structure the particles are present at corner as well as at the center. It means हमें center के particle को और corner के particle को calculate करना पड़ेगा. But now in this structure again the edge length is A, the edge length is A, the edge length is A, all the edge length are A because it is also a cubic structure. Okay, now we have to consider two triangles. The first triangle is B, C and D. In BCD corner particle and center particle is covered. Okay, let's start in triangle BCD. According to Pythagoras equation, hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. Hypotenuse B to D, that is BD square. Now height is CD square and the base is BC square. Now student ask that what is the need of second triangle, because इस triangle में आपके corner के और center का particle cover हो गए, तो हमें second triangle की क्या जरूरत है. So you can easily see that C to D is A. Okay, it is C to D, it is edge length A. B to D we can calculate that it is R, it is R, it is R and it is R. It means B to D is 4R. Okay, C to D is edge length A. But we have no idea about B to C. कि B to C क्या चीज है, इसको हम कैलकुलेट नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए हमें एक और ट्राइंगल को यूज करना है. Now according to triangle ABC, now it is clearly seen that in triangle ABC, according to in triangle ABC, according to Pythagoras equation, BC square is equal to AB square plus CD square. Okay, now BC square is equal to AB square plus CD square. And what is A to C? It is edge length A. Okay, and what is A to B? It is also edge length A. It means what is BC square? BC square is equal to 2A square. It means now we have all the components. Now what is triangle BCD? In BCD, BD is equal to BD square is equal to CD square plus AB square plus AC square. Okay, now we have all the components, all the values. BD square is equal to 4R square, it is A square, it is A square and it is A square. Again you can see C to D is edge length A to B is edge length A and A to C is edge length A. Now it is 16R square or 3A square. Okay, now solve by removing the square. Now it will become 4R is equal to under the root 3A, or you can say that A is equal to 4 upon root 3R, or R is equal to root 3 upon 4A. Now this is the relationship between A and R for BCC lattice. Now the last and final topic is packing percentage, volume of whole sphere upon volume of cube into 100. Now what is the volume of sphere? Volume of cube, sorry, first of all, volume of cube. Volume of cube is equal to A cube, side cube, and side cube is A cube. And what is the value of A? The value of A is 4 upon root 3 R whole cube. The cube of 4 is 64 and the root cube is 3 root 3 R cube. Now volume of one sphere, as you know, again it is 4 by 3 pi R cube. But in BCC there are two particles, one at the corner and one at the center. Again I am calculating 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1 and 1 into 1 by 1 is equal to 1. There are total two particles. So volume of two sphere, it will become 2 into 4 by 3 pi R cube, or we can write 8 upon 3 pi R cube. Now calculate the packing percentage. Again, packing percentage is equal to the value of the volume of sphere, that is 8 upon 3 pi R cube, and the volume of cube, that is 64 upon 3 root 3 R cube into 100. Now cut those values which can be easily cut, R cube from R cube, and 64 by 8, that is 8. Now it is pi 3 root 3 into 100 upon 24. If you solve this equation, you will get 68%. So it is clear. Now the packing in BCC, packing percentage in BCC is 68%. Now at the last, there is a short summary that in simple cubic unit cell, the packing percentage is 54% and A is equal to 2R. In BCC, packing percentage is 68% and the value relationship between A and R is A is equal to 4 root 3R. And at the last, the packing percentage in FCC is 74% and the relationship between A and R is A 2 root 2 R. All these relationship will be used in the formula of density. The density of a unit cell can be calculated with the help of formula D is equal to Z into M upon A cube into NA. So it is the formula of density which can be easily derived. As you know, density is equal to mass upon volume. The volume of cube is A cube, so it is written here, and the mass of a particular unit cell is molar mass upon Avogadro number and multiplied by the total number of particles. So here Z is equal to number of particles or atoms present in a unit cell. As you know, in simple cubic it is equal to 1, in BCC it is equal to 2, and in FCC it is equal to 4. And what is M? M is considered as molar mass or atomic mass. अगर आप एटम की बात कर रहे हैं तो एटॉमिक मास होगा, और अगर आप किसी मॉलिक्यूल की बात कर रहे हैं तो मोलर मास. Na, all you know, it is Avogadro number and its value is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. And at the last, Z particle and molar mass A is equal to H length. Please remember that H length will be given in picometer and you have to convert it into centimeter because the density is in gram per centimeter cube, or you have to convert it into meter cube because the density can also be considered in kg per meter cube. The value of picometer, 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 12 meter, or the value of 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to power minus 10 centimeter. So if I am considering centimeter, the formula will become D is equal to Z into M upon NA into A cube into 10 raised to power minus 30. It means इस फॉर्मूले में मैंने पहले से ही आपके पिकोमीटर को सेंटीमीटर में चेंज कर दिया. इट मीन्स अगर आपको न्यूमेरिकल के अंदर एज लेंथ पिकोमीटर की बजाय सेंटीमीटर में है तो आप लोगों को ये फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. इफ अगेन लिसन, if the edge length is given in centimeter, we have to use this formula. And if in picometer, we have to use this formula. This is all from this video. In the next video, we will discuss the numerical of this numerical regarding this formula. Okay, thank you.